Сәлем достар, сендермен Мирас KZ. Бүгін сіздердің миссиясын орындаймын. Подписаться и лайк қойыңыздар. Ал кеттік, бастаймыз. Қызыл точкаға келеміз.
I can drive as well as CJ, man, I'm telling you. Yeah. Hey, homie, what's up? Get out of my way. Where we going, homie? Rolling Heights, Ballers Country. Do us a little drive-by, huh? You know something, matter of fact, you are chauffeur for this little gig. Come on.
G, thanks, G.
Just don't drive like no fool. Yeah, Ballers Turf. You dogs ready?
Yeah, for sure. I'm ready.
Let's roll.
Just like me, baby. I'm a true musician. I do children's parties. I do bar mitzvahs.
Speed up a little, you
I can sing, I can dance, I can.
Shit, get us out of here. We spitting ducks.
Can't you just see it? You beside me, he and Mikey. You know how we do it.
What you thinking, fool? Stab out of here, CJ. That was way too easy. Let's go blast on some more baller food. Let's roll.
You're on the home of modern soul music and New Jack Swing.
What you waiting for, CJ? Find us some more ballers so we can cap them. Beat up a little, man. Move. Move. Smash on it, Carl. Smash.
Time for some more of that New Jack Swing, girl. Just don't be afraid, alright? Aaron Hall gonna look after us after all.
Lights are onto us, Carl. CJ out front. Yeah, Grove is back, man. Grove is back.
Yeah, for sure. They was slipping, man.
Man, I'm shocked you ain't get us killed, CJ. Let me check myself. Am I dead? Hey, Carl, ignore that motherfucker. You did good today. You're down with the Grove and the Ballers know it. So watch yourself from now on, CJ.
Yeah, for sure. You know that. I'll see y'all later.
Here, take this. Go get yourself some beers.
Sonradan biz аяқтаймыз видеоны. Подписывайтесь, лайктар ойыңызды.